We have a few of these pharmaceutical stocks as well, which are buzzing around. Biocon, Divis Labs. There is some traction on a lot of these mid-cap IT names as well. Good time to welcome Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls for a quick technical check on the market. Sachi, we've recovered from the lows today, managing above the 50-day moving average of the Nifty for the last few trading sessions as well. Do you think this is an important base formation and we move higher from here, or this is just a flash in the pan?
Good morning, Mangalam. Mangalam, I think it's a very significant level. The 50-day exponential moving average, which is placed at 25,740, has again acted as a very good support zone. Now, we've already seen a strong rebound, which may get carried forward throughout the day. But it is very important for the Nifty to decisively give a closing above that 25,880 mark. On the higher side, still, I think there are multiple hurdles still 25,930. So these are the key resistance levels that we are watching out for. But on the lower side, I think the decline has been very gradual for the last 4 trading sessions, though there is a low top, low bottom sequence on the 60-minute scale. But if things have to change, I think this particular support should be maintained on closing basis. So I think it's a very significant level, 25,740 on the lower side. And on the higher side, we need a decisive closing above that 25,880, 930 kind of a cluster. And once that particular level is crossed, then we may see a good, strong revival in trend. As of now, I think the data is suggesting a range-bound movement. So we may see oscillation within this particular band itself throughout the day, 25,740 on the lower side and 25,880 on the higher side.
Got it. Okay. All right, Sachi. So you're seeing a bit of a range in the near term. But individual stocks are providing opportunities, right? What's your view?
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, absolutely. I think there are relative outperformers which are still doing well, pretty well. In fact, if you look at stocks like SRF, something that we have also recommended to our clients. Now, this particular stock is still continuing its higher top, higher bottom sequence. On the 60-minute scale, we have seen a fresh breakout from a bullish pennant formation. The pattern itself is indicating a target somewhere close to around 3130. So even here right now, in case if we see any dips, the ideal level to accumulate would be somewhere close to around 3020, 3030 band. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at 3005 on closing basis, and positions can be reviewed at around 3130. The other stock which has seen a significant short covering is Divis Lab. Now, if you look at the overall structure, the stock was struggling to maintain its bullish stance. But if you look at the past 15 trading sessions, it was seeing meaningful support base at around 6,300. We wanted to see a closing about that 6,400 mark, but if you look at yesterday's price action, we saw an inverse hammer formation, again reconfirming the support at 6,300, and the high of that particular pattern has been breached right now. So we are expecting that there could be a significant short covering move unfolding in this particular counter, and hence we are recommending building fresh long positions in Divis. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at around 6380 on closing basis. First target would be around 6500, but initially, I think we may see this particular rally getting extended towards 6630 as well. So buy call on Divis Lab and a buy call on SRF.
All right, buy call on Divis and buy on SRF. Wonder if you've looked at a couple of these, pharma names as well. Mid-cap pharma doing extremely well. We have Biocon, which has seen a bit of a spike. This, was consolidating for a bit. Now it's up around 2%. From the front line, we have Divis, which too is fairly high right now at the high point. Is there any pick from this segment?
Mangalam, Divis Lab is something that I've recommended right now. And I think you mentioned Biocon. Even here, the data is very important. Now, we have seen a kind of consolidation near its 50-day exponential moving average support at around 385. And the significant part is that there has been a positive crossover on its daily RSI, which is a good sign of improving strength. So I think one can also consider Biocon on the long side, but the stop loss should be kept at around 388 itself on closing basis. On the higher side, in case if the stock sustains above that 400 mark, then there could be a significant rally towards 415, 420 zone. So for the day, at least 400 can be a decisive target, but on the lower side, 388 should be your stop loss.
All right, take that point. Thank you so much for joining in, Sachi. With that, let's get you some more ideas for profit. In fact, our colleagues from